This is an installation video for a 1965 to 1968 Mustang. Your wind deflector is designed to go in and out of your Mustang with no modifications to your car. The wind deflector's front brackets insert into the ashtrays in the rear seat, and the rear brackets sit on the trim panels also in your rear seat. The brackets are coated with a plastisol so will not mark or damage the rear seats of your Mustang. The front bracket slide into the front section of the ashtray, and the rear brackets just slide over the rear trim panel. Attach the 4 straps and you're done. The front bracket slide into the front section of the ashtray, and the rear brackets just slide over the rear trim panel. There are 4 straps that hold your wind deflector into place, both of them attached to the bottom of your rear trim panel. The wind deflector is designed to work with your boot cover. To remove your wind deflector, it's just as easy. Put the top down, undo the 4 straps, and then slide the wind deflector out of your rear seat. The wind deflector does come with a storage bag, so when storing, please remember to always use the storage bag. Your wind deflector, to fit in the trunk, you will need to take the 2 front brackets, remove the thumb screws, lay the brackets down, and then replace the thumb screws so that the front brackets are positioned flat along the wind deflector. This allows you to store your wind deflector in the trunk, and when you need it, just reverse the process. Take the wind deflector out, undo the thumb screws, stand the front brackets up, replace the 4 screws, tighten them, and your wind deflector is ready to use. This wind deflector comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. We're sure you'll love this wind deflector, so we're happy to let you test it out. Try it for 60, 90 days, and if you don't love it, you send it back, and we'll even pay for the return shipping.